हेलो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, इन केमिस्ट्री हम क्या पढ़ रहे थे? कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. Okay, today we are going to study about IUPAC name of coordination compound. What? IUPAC name of कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. क्लियर? नो डाउट. हमने आपको लास्ट टाइम भी बोला था कि आपको ये सारे एमसीक्यू पढ़ने हैं, इसके बारे में सब कुछ प्रिपेयर करना है. ओके. और अगर इलेक्ट्रोकेमिस्ट्री में कुछ भी डाउट है तो आपको हमें पूछना है. क्लियर? एक दो बच्चे ने मुझे पूछा भी है और उनको मैंने प्रैक्टिस शीट भेजी भी है, वो सॉल्व करते हैं. अभी हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर इन कोऑर्डिनेशन कंपाउंड. देयर आर सो मेनी रूल्स. द फर्स्ट इज first give name of positive ion, after that name of negative ion. Okay. Second, पहले हम सारे रूल पढ़ रहे हैं, उसके बाद IUPAC नोमेनक्लेचर पढ़ेंगे. Second, in name of complex ion, first you have to name of name ligand, and after that metal ion. If complex ion is positively charged, there is no change in name of metal ion. Like if there is cobalt, you have to write just like this, cobalt. If there is Fe, you have to write iron. If there is Cr, you write chromium. Okay, manganese, like that. Okay, the fourth rule is if complex ion is negatively charged, complex ion is negative charge, apply suffix at, okay, after name of metal. As an example, if complex ion is positively charged, CO means cobalt, but if complex ion is negatively charged, CO means cobaltate. Okay, like Fe means ferrate, like Cr means chromate, like this. Mg means manganate. Okay, Ni means nickelate. You have to apply at. The next one is after name of metal ion, you have to write oxidation number or primary valency of metal ion in Roman digit in small bracket. It is clear? As an example, Fe plus 2 है, you have to write like this. Like if cobalt plus 3, you have to write this after the name of metal ion. Next one. सारे रूल याद रखना, सारे रूल पढ़ लिए होंगे आपने, उसके बाद आपको मैं जो IUPAC नेम लिखूंगा वो समझ में आएगा। क्लियर? नेक्स्ट, इफ ligand is negatively charged, you have to apply O. You have to apply what? O. Like Cl minus means chloride, you have to write chlorido or chloro. Like F minus means fluoride, you have to write fluorido or fluor. Like OH minus means hydroxy, you have to write hydroxo. Like OX minus 2 means oxalate, you have to write oxalato. You have to apply suffix O after the name of negatively charged ligand. After the name of negatively charged ligand. Okay. Next. If ligand is neutral, there is a specific name. Like for NH3, it is amine. Like for H2O, it is aqua. Like for CO, it is carbon. Clear? Okay. For two common ligand, you have to apply di. For three common ligand, you have to apply tri. For four common ligand, you have to apply tetra. For five common ligand, you have to apply penta. For six common ligand, you have to apply hexa. What? Hexa. If ligand is ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, आपको जो लिगेंड दिया गया है वो कैसा है? ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड है। कौन कौन से लिगेंड होते हैं, उसका क्लासिफिकेशन क्या है, वो सब कुछ हमने पढ़ा हुआ है। इफ लिगेंड इज ऑर्गेनिक कंपाउंड, फॉर दैट you have to write IUPAC name of that organic compound in bracket. Like for EN, it is ethane 1,2-diamine. Like for PTN, it is propane 1,2,3-triamine. Okay, and if that organic ligand is for two times, for two organic ligand it is bis. For three organic ligand it called tris. Okay, it called what? Tris. For four common ligand it is called tetroxy, pentoxy, hexoxy, like that. Clear? Did you get my point? Okay. If it is normal ligand, for 2 means di, 3 means tri, 4 means tetra, 5 means penta, 6 means hexa. Okay, but for organic ligand it is 2 bis, 3 tris, 4 tetroxy, like that. Again, for more than one type of ligand, if there is more than one kind of ligand, follow alphabetical order. Like as a ligand, ammonia is also present and Cl minus is also present. Name of ammonia is amine, name of chloro Cl minus means chloro or chloride. So first of all we have to write amine because A, and after that chloro. Like ammonia and H2O both are present. For H2O aqua, for amine A common, but after that M and Q. And you have to write first amine, after that aqua. Like for Cl minus and Cn minus. For Cl minus it is chloro. For Cn minus it is cyano. C common, but after that H and Y. Then you have to first write chloro or chloride. After that what? Cyano. It is clear? These are the basic rules what you have to apply during nomenclature of coordination compound. There is more than that, but we have to discuss that points or that rules during examples. Okay, let's see. Like K4FeCN6. Here positive ion is K plus, negative ion is FeCN6 minus 4. It is negative ion, so you have to write iron or farad. If complex is negatively charged, you have to apply at. Now, what is potassium hexacyano? Why hexacyano? 6 times cyano. Hexacyano ferret. Oxidation number is 2. Clear? Next one. Like Na2NiCl4. So positive ion is Na plus, negative ion is NiCl4 minus 2. Charge should be plus 2. Then sodium 4 means tetra. Cl means chloro or chlorido. Ni means nickelate 2. It is clear? Sodium tetrachloronickelate 2. It's the IUPAC name of that organic compound. Next one. CO ammonia 6 times Cl3. Positive ion is CO ammonia 6 times, negative ion is Cl minus. Here we don't have to apply O for Cl minus, it is only chloride. Why not chloride? Chlorido, because here Cl minus is not ligand. Cl minus is only what? Negative ion. Here you have to write only cobalt, not cobaltate. Why? Because complex ion is positively charged. Now what you have to write? hexaamine, cobalt 3 chloride. Clear? Not chlorido. Why? It is not ligand. Not cobaltate. Why? Because it is not negatively charged. Next one. Like NiH2O 6 times Br2. Only bromide, not bromido. Why? It is not ligand. Only nickel, not nickelate. Why? It is positively charged. Hexa, aqua, nickel 2. Bromide. It is clear. Next one. Like NiCO4. There is no charge. It is neutral. If complex compound is neutral or positively charged, you have to write the main name of metal ion. Like here, cobalt, nickel. Here also nickel. Simply nickel. If it is negatively charged, you have to apply at. Here. Tetracarbonyl nickel 0, like FeCO5 means penta carbonyl iron 0, like CrCO6 hexa carbonyl chromium 0. These are the basic rule for the IUPAC nomenclature of what? Coordination compound. The next one. FeOX 3 times minus 3. OX means oxalator. Minus 2. उस तरफ जाएगा -6, -3 plus 6, -3 plus 6. Oxidation number should be +3. Now 3 means tri, OX means oxalator. Now it is negatively charged, it means ferrite. 3 iron. Trioxalato ferrite 3 iron. Next one, like Ni En 3 times Cl2. Now it is organic ligand. 3 means tris, so tris ethane 1,2 diamine nickel 2 chloride. Okay, next one, like Pt H2O 3 times, ammonia 3 times, Cl4 0 0 -1 4 times, -4 उस तरफ जाएगा +4. ऑक्सीडेशन नंबर शुड बी +4. AQAM, then tri amine tri aqua platinum 4 chloride. If there is more than one kind of ligand, you have to follow alphabetical order. You have to follow what? Alphabetical order. Clear? Next one, like this. KMNO4. Oxidation number should be +7. Then potassium tetraoxo manganate 7. Okay, like Cr ammonia 3 times, ammonia 4 times, Cl 2 times Cl. Now for this Cl you have to apply O, chloride O, but for this you have to apply only chloride. Why? The two Cls which are in spherical attractional sphere, they are ligand, but the outer side of attractional sphere, they are not ligand. Outer side of attractional sphere, they are not ligand. That you have to apply only chloride. Here you have to apply chloride O. Now what is name for Na3amine, for Cl chloride? Name should be tetraamine dichloride chromium. Oxidation number should be +3. Chromium 3 chloride. Like simple, Cu NH3 4 times SO4, then tetra amine copper 2 sulfate. Now for this, Fe En for En E H2O 2 times, for H2O A Cn 2 times, for HCN C and Cl. Oxidation number should be +3. Then A C, after that E. A means diaqua, C means dicyano, mono, ethane 1,2-diamine, Fe means iron, because complex is positively charged. Iron 3 chloride. It is clear? These are the basic rule of IUPAC nomenclature of organic compound. Okay. Whatever we have studied here, very simple. There is only one complex sign. Complex sign should be positive or negative. But if there is positive ion and negative ion, both are complex sign. Like this. Here. Like CO, ammonia 6 times, Cr, Cn 6 times. Positive ion and negative ion both are complex ion. Then what you have to do? First of all, find out oxidation number of that metal ion. Find out what? Oxidation number of metal ion. Find out the total oxidation number and that divide it equal. Like oxidation number of ammonia is 0. Oxidation of Cn is -1. -1 6 times, -6 here, +6. You have to divide equal, like +3 +3. Then +3 and 0, +3 and -1, -6, -3. Name should be hexaamine cobalt 3 and hexacyano-chromate 3. Clear? Like this. Like Ni H2O 4 times and CO Cl 4 times. Oxidation number of H2 is 0. Oxidation number Cl is -1. -1 4 times, -4 उस तरफ +4. You have to equally divide. +2 +2 +2 and 0, +2 +2 -1 4 times, -4 +2 -4 -2. Name should be tetra aqua nickel 2 and tetrachloride cobaltate 2. It is clear. So if there is, both are complex sign, positive ion is also complex sign, negative ion is also complex sign, then you have to apply this rule. Okay, like for Ag, argentium or silver for positively charged, but for Ag, argentate for negatively charged ligand or negatively charged complex. Like for Au, aurum or gold for positively charged. You have to say aurum or gold whatever, but if it is negatively charged, complex ion is negatively charged, aurate only. Let's see what we are talking about. Like AgNH3 twice plus, name should be diamine argentium 1 ion or diamine silver 1 ion. But for this, like AgCN 2 times minus 1, complex is negatively charged, then dicyano argentate 1 ion. You cannot write silverate. You cannot write silverate. Okay. Next one. Like for AU H2O 2 times plus 1. It is diaqua aurum 1 ion or gold 1 ion. But for AuCN 2 times minus 1, it is called dicyano aurate 1 ion. It called dicyano aurate 1 ion. It is clear? Okay. Now, what are the rule for a ambidentate ligand? Like this one is example. CO ammonia 5 times NO2 plus 2. Name should be pentaamine nitro. It called nitro cobalt 3 ion minus 1 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to plus 3. It should be plus 3. You can say that here, and from NO2 nitrogen is linked with cobalt. Nitrogen is linked with cobalt, or nitrogen is giving its electron pair or lone pairs towards cobalt and making coordinated covalent bond with cobalt. So you can like this, pentaamine and nitro. Pentaamine and nitro cobalt 3 ion. Like for CO ammonia 5 times ONO plus 2. You know that NO2 is an ambidentate ligand. Nitrogen can also donate its electron pair, or oxygen can also donate its electron pair. If nitrogen donates its electron pair, it called nitro. If oxygen donates, it called pentaamine nitrito. Cobalt 3 ion. But you know that here oxygen is donating its electron pairs towards cobalt and making dative bond with cobalt. That's why the name should be pentaamine O nitro. N nitro means from nitro, nitrogen is making bond with cobalt or metal ion. O nitro means from nitro, oxygen is making dative bond with cobalt or metal ion. O nitro cobalt 3 ion. Clear? Both are correct. Both are correct. Easy. Okay. Let's see the next one. Like Fe H2O 5 times HCN plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Name should be penta aqua thiocyaneto iron 2 ion. Here sulfur donates its electron pair towards iron and making dative bond. So you can write penta aqua S thiocyaneto iron 2 ion. But for this, like Fe H2O 5 times NCS, here nitrogen is making dative bond with iron plus 1. Name should be penta aqua isothiocyaneto iron 2 ion or penta aqua N thiocyaneto iron 2 ion. What it means? From thiocyaneto sulfur is making dative bond with metal ion. What this means? From thiocyaneto nitrogen is making dative bond with metal ion. It is clear to you? Easy. So like this you can name for different coordinate compounds. Okay. Like PT ammonia 4 times, PTCl 4 times, minus 1, minus 4, plus 4, plus 2 and plus 2, plus 2 and 0, plus 2, plus 2 and minus 4, minus 2. Name should be tetraamine platinum 2 and tetrachloride platinate 2. Now it is not necessary that both metal ion possess equal oxidation number always. It is possible that both metal ion can possess different oxidation number also. Okay, but if there is different oxidation number here, they have to give that oxidation number, otherwise you cannot calculate it. But for the specific example, like PTNH3 4 times and PTCl 6 times, minus 1 6 times, minus 6 plus 6 plus 3 and plus 3. But platinum can possess only 2 oxidation state, platinum plus 4 and platinum plus 2. Platinum plus 3 is not possible. So if they give this kind of example where two different complex ion is present, any complex ion which possesses higher coordinate number, it possesses higher oxidation state. Like the coordination number is 4, coordination number is 6. So both platinum from the low coordination number possesses plus 2 oxidation state, from higher oxidation number it possesses, from low coordination number is possess low oxidation state, from higher coordination number it possesses higher oxidation state. These are the basic rule for platinum mainly. Okay, otherwise you have to calculate oxidation number of different metal ion. Let's see. Plus 2 0, plus 2, plus 4 minus 6 minus 2. Name should be tetraamine platinum 2 hexachloride platinate 4. Clear? These are the rule for IUPAC nomenclature of coordination compound. Clear? Now the last one. If there is any ligand which is combined with two different metal ion, or it is combined with two metal ion like this, like ammonia 5, cobalt, OH, chromium, H2O5, Cl5, like 0, -1, -1 5 times means -5, -1 and -5, -6, that side, +6, +3 and +3. Now OH is combined with cobalt as well as chromium, so for the name of OH you have to apply mu before name. Mu before name. Get the name from this side, okay, or the name from which alphabetical orders appears first, like here alphabetical order is AQ, alphabetical order is AM. Okay, mainly from this side, name should be pentaamine cobalt 3. Now mu hydroxo. Why mu? Because hydroxo is combined with both metal ion. Mu hydroxo. Now penta aqua chromium. Penta aqua chromium 3 chloride. You cannot apply chloride because it is not ligand. Clear? It is clear? Now next one. For En 2 times Fe OH NH2 cobalt ammonia 4 times cobalt En 2 times SO4 twice -1 -2 2 times -4 that side -4 -1 -1 -6 +6 +3 +3. Okay, now it called amido. It means A. It called hydroxo. It means H. Now tetraamine iron. Tetraamine iron 3. Both ligand is combined with two different metal ion. First you have to apply mu amido, alphabetical order. After that mu hydroxo. Now it is organic ligand. 2 times means bis ethane 1,2 diamine cobalt 3 sulfate. Clear? Okay, these are the basic rule for the IUPAC nomenclature of organic coordination compound. Okay, IUPAC nomenclature of what? Coordination compound. You have to follow all the rules. Okay, fine. How to name coordination compound? You have to see that this video more than 2 times. Okay, I am giving you a different sheet for a different IUPAC name of different ligand. You have to apply only alphabetical order, otherwise Na3 means amine, H2O means aqua, CO means carbonyl, NO plus means nitroso, nitronium, okay, nitrosonium, like pyridinium, like dimethyl glyoxylato, etc. etc. I am giving you that sheet with what is the name of different ligand, and you have to follow this rule. I am giving you extra 20 or 30 name that you have to write in your notebook, and if you have any kind of doubt in that nomenclature, I am going to solve it. Okay, my dear students, fine. You have to learn it properly because it is very important for your examination. Fine. Thank you so much.